make a 1000 sunny boat for our Straw Hat One Piece crew. As you can see, that is my collection, my figures. There's still no boat, but I'm going to make one. And as you can see there, I don't still have a boat. There's my crew and Captain Luffy, and Kaido, starring Kaido, and the Konoha. I'm going to make a standy boat 1000 sunny made out of these scrap boxes. Okay, let's start.
1 hour later.
Okay, there you go. I finished assembling the 1000 sunny riser made of recycled box carton. Just testing it, and later we are going to color the 1000 sunny riser for my figure One Piece Straw Hat crew. As you can see, it's made up of recycled unused boxes. And there you have Franky, Usopp, Nami, Zoro, the Captain Luffy, and the Jolly Roger, Sanji, Chopper, Brook, and Robin. I'm going to finish it later, just showing you the finished assembled box 1000 sunny riser. There you go. Going to finish it later.
3 days later.
Okay, I finished the 1000 sunny standee for my Straw Hat crew figures, the XF. Let's have a peek. Let's move Luffy so that we can see the whole image of our standee. This is not an actual boat, it's just a standee. I need this for more convenience to see. Let's move Brook. There you go. There you go. Our standee. Called 1000 sunny standee. Okay, let's put back Luffy. Luffy is here, Captain. Wait, baby, wait. There you go. There. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.